Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on PICO for Ultra. Go to the Control Center, then Settings, and then go to App Management, and now you can manage by apps or by permissions. I'm gonna manage by apps, and I'm gonna choose Screencast. And here are the settings of the app, and you can go to all permissions and see them, and you can click on some of them and adjust them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.